Good morning, this is the Club video and George is here to teach you something new today. And the date today is just 26th of April. It's a Sunday, happy Sunday to everyone. Your online services are there, guys, you need to pray. So in this video today, I want to teach you something on the Sigen.plus site, and that is security code. For your account on Sigen.pro to be more safe and secure, you need to create what you call a security code, and the security code can help you just in case there is some important information you are changing on your site or on your account. You'll be asked to enter that security code, just like some people, in case someone needs to open up an application on your phone, they need to put some password if you set a lock or maybe a pattern or something like that. Now similarly on the Sigen.plus site, you need to create this to enable this security, because it is very important. Remember the Sigen.plus site, if you go here on the home page, you will see that it is an exchange platform where you can exchange cryptocurrencies for other currencies, and then it's a platform for trading cryptocurrency for any other world currency. So it's a matter of either using the exchange, the P2P marketplace, or the first buy first sell. The one that is favorable for you is the one that you use. Maybe what you should notice that for exchange it is instant, and sometimes you can set a limit as well. Then for P2P it's not instant, but there are so many there, you can get a lot of profits once you know how to use P2P. Then first buy first sell is also not instant. So let me just show you how this is done simply. Just click here and go to my profile. Okay, I'll need to extend this. Let me first extend this a bit down. Here. Okay, wanted that to extend a bit there. Now this is your profile on Sigen. Now as you can see here, you can as well set your country, you can as well set the language that you use, and then you can see that I already did the integration. So I'm a participant, that means I'm at member level and I have 19 referrals so far. So being at member level means that you can only make up to 1,000 transactions, 1,000 prisms. It remains to sell at the end of 1,000 prism out of the calendar day on P2P. So on P2P, remember I made a video for you and I told you that they introduced a limit. If you are at just member level, you only trade up to 1,000 prisms per day. So you need to go to bronze and the upper level, such that you can as well be able to do that, to sell without limits. Now to set a security code, you just need to click here on security, and actually it is the first thing you see right here. It says security code. To protect your account from unauthorized changes, you need to create a security code which will be used in the future when confirming especially important actions, for example when changing security settings. So that's what I just explained to you guys, that just like the way you can put a pattern on your mobile application that is very important, like the phone book, because not everyone should access your phone book for sure. And then maybe your gallery, not everyone should access your gallery. It's like that extra security that you give to yourself. Similarly on Sigen, you need to set this feature such that, take an example, if I come and I want to change a password, as you can see all these ones, to change this security authorization things, you need to first make settings, you need to create a security code. So to make all these, you need a security code. So you just have to come and click on create, then they'll create for you a security code, coffee bronze thing. You can copy it. After copying it, you just need to paste it right here, and then you can save it as a PDF or save this the way it is. Now this is the one that will be used every time you want to make any important change, most especially in the settings. It is the one that you'll be using for as a confirmation that really it is you who is performing this change, or who is making these crucial settings. You can as well paste it here to confirm, and then if you click here and say create security code, it will be created. But don't forget, you need to save it as a PDF. You can click there and say save as PDF. Okay, it was already saved down here. If you check and say show in folder, I can decide to open it with this. Yeah, and as you can see, it is saved right the way it is. So we just need to be copying it and then pasting it where necessary. So that is it, guys. This is what I wanted to basically share with you today, how it is created. If you forget this, just you can as well click here and then something new is generated for you that will crack. If you forget that, still it's a matter of clicking here, regenerate a new one and use that one, guys, such that you have a security code. When you have it, you'll be able to make these other changes which are inactive down here. Always make sure that you use Sigen.pro site to exchange. And what I've realized so far, guys, is that P2P has more profits than the exchange, because when you check on P2P, the rate at which one Prizm costs is at least higher than that one on the exchange. So P2P is very nice, though you need to take some time waiting and things like that, but it can work for you guys. So simply, that's how you can set that security code in your Sigen.pro account or profile. We'll meet in the next video.